Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to change bid amounts on Google Ads campaigns. So we're here on PPC Expo. This is basically a blog, but I'll show you exactly how to do it. So first of all, go to your campaigns right here, right? You will need to click on your campaigns option. Then you will need to click on your, option is found on the left hand, by the way, and then click on this right here, which is your campaign, right? Select your campaign. Now, as you can see, you will have edit, right? And you can change bid strategy right here immediately, right? Now you got the answer to the big question, what is the bid strategy? And you also figured out how to edit your campaign bid strategy. So this is basically how to change it, right? You can also change the budgets as well. You can update conversion goals, stuff like that, right? This is basically how you can change bid amounts on Google Ads campaigns, right? It's very easy, right? So again, you just go to campaigns, then select the campaign that you want, and then edit, and then change bid strategy or change budgets if you want. So that's pretty much how to do it, right? It's a very simple way of changing your bid amounts. Now, if you want to know more about Google Ads and how to navigate through Google Ads, visit our tutorials. We made a lot of tutorials around Google Ads, and obviously subscribe down below if this video helped you out. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next upcoming Google Ads tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.